How to create new contacts, edit, and create a custom values inside the GUI level. So navigate to contacts, click the add button, put all the details you'll need, like the first name, last name, email, and phone number, and then click save. For edit the existing contact, for example, click this one, and now you can edit all the information you want to put. For creating a custom values, go to settings, look for custom values, click new custom values, put the name of the custom value, what type of value, and then click create.